Hello and welcome to MJK Blasting. So this week we've got something a little bit different. So my buddy Lebo messaged me with a picture and said, could I blast a chair for him? Wooden chairs, crafted. I'll show you the picture here. So I asked him what sort of size it is and he says it's like a medium-sized chair. So I thought, well, no problem at all. The customer brought it over. But then I realised when I had the last workshop in Charwood, Lebo worked for the circus next door. He used to drive around in kids' buggies, pretending he's in a monster truck. So it made sense. So this is what we're doing today. It's an oak carved chair, child's chair, I would have thought. So we're going to strip it right back, get all this green out of it. Might be a little bit difficult places because it's a little bit damp still down here. But let's have a go. Right guys, so that's it. It's all blasted back. Beautiful colours that come out. I'll show you the pictures in a sec. And at least now when Lebo goes round his mates, he's got a bit of a chaise longue to lay on, or the kids have got something to sit on. So please share, like, subscribe. Don't forget the campaign at a minute. Don't be an Adrian. Also we're doing Don't Be a Sheila. A couple of your friends that aren't subscribing. So we're back. Next one I think isn't going to be the Stag, it's going to be 308 Ferrari. But please share, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Cheers. Forgot to also tell you guys, so this last week of Christmas, we're Thursday now, before Christmas, we've been doing a Secret Santa sort of thing, doing some good deals for people that have supported me right up till Christmas. And then what I've done is done a raffle and nobody knows about it. And I basically, one customer I've picked out, which is a lovely old couple, first time they're coming to me as well, so they got a bit of a shock in a minute. I'm just about to go and jump in the truck and go and see them. Basically, I'm giving them all their money back, little thing towards Christmas. So I hope you guys had a good Christmas. See you in 2024.